nag-i-invento. Ilalagay sa Claypot, tapos ilalagay sa oven. Ano kaya resulta nito? Too good to be true. Boiling at 250 and 1 to 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now we are going to open the oven. Turn it off. Turn it off. Zero now. Ooh. Uy. It's so steamy here. Oh, 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 oh. This is it. Pancit. Oh, look at that. It looks so yummy. This is chicken in a clay pot. This is all the vegetable underneath on the chicken. I'm gonna get this chicken now. Oh, smell good. Very juicy. So yummy. There's all the vegetable here. With the shiitake mushroom, potato, squash, and carrots, beans, and pichay. Grabe. Naka-claypot siya, tapos nilalagay siya sa oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So this is the result. So ito na siya mga mina. Napaka-juicy ng chicken at malinamnam po yung lasa. As in talagang nanonood yung lasa. Sarap niya. Moment of truth. So this is it. Chicken in a clay pot.
What are you doing?
Napaka-juicy niya. Napaka-tender and juicy niya. Itong chicken pala mga mi, binabad ko siya sa tubig na may asin at paminta. Overnight yan. Tapos niluto ko na lang siya ng around 6 o'clock tonight. Nilagay namin siya sa clay pot, saka nilagay sa oven kasama yung mga gulay. Try natin yung gulay. Yung potato. Harap. Perfect.